Hello humans, I'm Yan, and today I'm going to be talking about pyrography. Pyrography is when you engrave wood with a burning tool. Here are some examples that I've done in the past. Quite a few were done for my sister's wedding, where she used them as centerpieces, and also I did quite a few for my art foundation, because the subject was on deforestation and it fitted in quite nicely. First I would sand down the wood, then I would draw my idea on it in pencil. Then I would etch it using my burning tool, and to finish I would finish them with linseed oil. Recently, when I was going through my stack of wooden slices, I found a few that had a piece of bark in the middle where the two trees had branched off, and they looked like lips to me. Then, after I sanded them down and gave them a nose and a mouth, they looked like little faces. They're quite simplistic, but I'm quite happy with them. Thank you for watching.